Okay, this week's plant of the week is a Firebird Penstemon. That's the color it's going to be. Now, this is a perennial. It also attracts bees, hummingbirds, butterflies. It's deer resistant, and it makes great cut flowers. So it's a full sun plant. And again, a perennial. It's drought tolerant, which is very good for this location. It doesn't get a lot of water here. And it gets 2 to 3 feet high and 2 feet wide. So it should fit right here. So I'm going to make sure I go back at least 12 inches from the edge of the grass here, which is going to place it right about there. So this is for zones 6 to 10. And that's exactly where we are. Taking the info right here off of the tag. So what we're going to do now is we're going to move back our soil here. So what we're going to do is we're going to move back our bark dust. Got a little hole dug here now. And believe it or not, I honestly don't know what that is. Bonus find. We've got ourselves a little gnome. Hard to see it, but there he is. This used to be a different garden in this area, so we have transformed it. The roots are looking really good here. Set them down in there like that. We're going to put a little bit of the original soil back around it, and then we're going to lightly put some bark dust around it here too. I'm going to leave the tag. That'll just remind me of what I planted here. Now it's supposed to rain this afternoon, so I'm not going to water this in. But let me know if you've ever planted these and what kind. I really love penstemons, so this is going to be a real bright one, and I'm really trying to get my garden here, my whole property, filled in with attractants to butterflies and hummingbirds. So we're going to be putting a lot more perennials in and make sure that we get them hummers coming in, because I got 2 hummingbird feeders and I like watching them. They're both at my windows, and I sit in my chair and we just have a great time watching them. So anyway, that's it for now. If you like this video, give it a like. Think about commenting and subscribing. It'll help our channel grow. Till next time, take care.